Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to see about Amazon rainforest and introduction. Amazon rainforest. It is world's largest tropical rainforest and also named as Amazon jungle. It has an incredibly rich ecosystem. It is considered as the lungs of the earth. It has an incalculable biological and ecological value. Now its location. It is located in 9 countries of South America, and the countries are Brazil, Peru and Colombia are the majority of the forest. The minor amount of forest is in Bolivia, Ecuador, French Guyana, Suriname and Venezuela. Now we are going to see about its area. The Amazon covers a huge area as 6.7 million square kilometers of South America. Its area is about twice the size of India. Brazil has 60% of forest and Peru has 13%. Colombia has 10% of it. Thank you for watching this video.